So there is a massive update for Dogecoin coming from Robinhood. And I think Dogecoin holders are going to get a huge gift. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video. So trading platform Robinhood has just announced that it is going to expand its crypto offerings. And the firm has revealed that it has set some aggressive goals to start opening its crypto platform up to customers internationally in 2022. And it believes that there is immense potential in the crypto economy. So there is a big opportunity for Robinhood in serving customers across the globe. Moreover, Robinhood has also revealed its fourth quarter and full year 2021 report. And as per this report, Robinhood's total net revenues for the fourth quarter of 2021 increased 14% from the same period in 2020 to about $360 million. And for the year, the total net revenues of Robinhood increased 89% to about $1.8 billion from the previous year. Moreover, the trading platform's transaction-based revenues, which include revenues from crypto trading, were around $260 million in quarter 4 and about $1.4 billion in 2021. Robinhood has also revealed that its revenue from cryptos for the quarter increased 300% to $48 million, compared to $12 million in the fourth quarter of 2020. And for the year, it increased to about $420 million compared with $27 million in 2020. And as we can see here, the percentage of Robinhood's total revenue derived from commissions on crypto trading jumped to 41% in the second quarter of 2021, up from 17% in the first quarter. And overall, more than 60% of its customers traded cryptos in the quarter. And the crypto-based revenue for the second quarter was about $233 million versus just $5 million in the year-ago quarter. So the point is that Robinhood has generated some positive revenue back in 2021, and most of it came from cryptos, especially Dogecoin. And this is exactly why Robinhood is now planning to offer some additional crypto services. And the best thing is that Robinhood is planning to offer crypto services around the globe. And if this happens, then millions of customers from around the globe will be able to come to the cryptos market. And the important point to note here is that Dogecoin was the most traded crypto on Robinhood. And Robinhood had revealed that its 62% of crypto revenue came from Dogecoin in the second quarter of 2021. And as 2021 has now concluded, Robinhood's percentage of total revenue derived from crypto trading, specifically from Dogecoin, also jumped in the third and fourth quarters. So as Robinhood's major chunk of revenue comes from the trading of Dogecoin, it means that if Robinhood is going to launch its services internationally, then more users will start trading Doge. And this is not it. We also know that Robinhood has recently released its long-awaited crypto wallet for beta testing, and it will finally enable crypto users to withdraw cryptos from the platform. And this wallet program by Robinhood will be available for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum holders. And this is more positive news for Dogecoin because many of Robinhood's traders favor Dogecoin as their coin of choice. And the most important thing is that until now, those who trade cryptos such as Bitcoin and Dogecoin via the Robinhood app have been limited to buying and selling. However, with the new functionality, wallet holders will be able to buy, say, Dogecoin on Robinhood and transfer it to another wallet. So they can swap assets on decentralized exchanges or engage in any number of decentralized finance applications. And for this reason, Robinhood has stated the new feature will fully connect Robinhood crypto holders to the greater blockchain ecosystem for the very first time. And we also know that Elon Musk also believes that this wallet feature from Robinhood is very important and beneficial for Dogecoin. And this is why he liked this tweet from Billy Marcus, and he has obviously appreciated this amazing feature of Dogecoin. And I think that Musk believes that Robinhood wallets will be a huge deal for Dogecoin since Dogecoin will no longer be viewed as simply a speculative investment by the users of Robinhood. And another very important thing to note here is that this wallet feature makes Dogecoin a truly decentralized crypto. All in all, Robinhood's entry into the international market is going to favor Dogecoin holders. And the best thing is that Robinhood is giving Dogecoin much more importance than other cryptos. This is because we know that Dogecoin is not only the most traded crypto on Robinhood, it also has the lowest transaction fee. So this will not only increase the transactions and utility of Dogecoin, it will also help Robinhood generate some revenue. And now let's see what is happening with Dogecoin. So we can see here that Doge is still lacking any significant positive momentum. But the key thing to note here is that Dogecoin has been refusing to go below this price level. And this is because I think that bulls are trying to get Doge out of this consolidation phase. And this is why I think that Dogecoin is now showing some support around this region. And now, since we have just seen how Robinhood is going to expand its crypto offering, I think this positive news will help Doge over the long term. And I know that you are wondering that we have been seeing all these positive updates for Doge every now and then, but its price is still not moving up. And I know this is a bothersome thing for you. But the thing is that all these positive updates are bullish for Doge. However, this doesn't mean that Dogecoin is going to surge right away. I think we have to wait for some and see Doge showing some positive momentum in the long term. But I'd like to remind you here that this is no financial advice since I'm not a professional financial advisor. I'm just expressing my opinion here, so it is recommended that you do your own research before investing in cryptos. And now let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So just like Dogecoin, we can see here that Bitcoin is also moving sideways without any signs of a positive movement. However, I think that things are going to get better for Bitcoin since there are some very important things happening for it. So while we saw some panic during the recent sell-off for Bitcoin, we are now seeing that the Bitcoin network has become verifiably stronger than ever before. And the growth of the Bitcoin network has become apparent as hash rate figures for Bitcoin are continuing to set new highs this month. Last week, the Bitcoin network recorded a new all-time high mining difficulty of about 26 trillion with an average hash rate of 190.7 exahash per second, signaling strong community support despite an ongoing bear market. Moreover, data from BTC.com estimates that the network will continue to grow stronger by attaining another all-time high in the next 12 days, with a network difficulty of around 26.7 trillion. And as per Samir Tabar, Chief Strategy Officer at Bit Digital, the recent hash rate figures for Bitcoin are extremely notable, even with the price of Bitcoin being down. And he believes that this growth in the hash rate is going to increase even further from here. Similarly, Peter Wall, CEO of crypto mining firm Argo Blockchain, believes that the hash rate of Bitcoin will continue to grow higher each month. So this is very bullish for Bitcoin because its growing hash rate is going to help its price grow over the long term. And another important thing for Bitcoin is highlighted by popular trader Scott Melker. In a recent tweet, he explained that he won't turn bullish on Bitcoin until there is a weekly close above the 39K price level. And he has noted that Bitcoin hasn't had two bullish candles in a row on the weekly chart in months. And Bitcoin is also on track to log its third consecutive month of losses, which hasn't happened since June 2021. However, the good thing is that Bitcoin is now very close to hitting this 39K price level. And I think that it can hit it in the first week of February. And if it happens, then we can expect a very strong bullish scenario for Bitcoin. And while some analysts are looking bullish on Bitcoin, Salvadoran President Nayib Bukele has recently made yet another bullish Bitcoin prediction. Bukele took to Twitter to predict that Bitcoin will ultimately see a gigantic price increase due to its limited supply of only 21 million digital coins. He said that there are more than 50 million millionaires in the world. And due to Bitcoin's scarcity case, there is not enough Bitcoin if each one of them wanted to own at least one Bitcoin. And this is why he believes that there is going to be a gigantic price increase for Bitcoin in just a matter of time. And another important thing we are now seeing is that January has been historically a corrective month for Bitcoin. In fact, in most cycles, January is a corrective month not only for Bitcoin, but for the broader crypto market as well. So if we look at the charts of Bitcoin of January 2021 and January 2022, we can see that it had a corrective cycle last year. And right now, we are seeing very similar paths in this year's chart. And since Bitcoin went up after the correction in January 2021, I think it can do the same this time as well. And this is why I think that Bitcoin is going to move up by next month and shed off its recent losses. And while everything is looking very good for Bitcoin, I'm getting more bullish on Dogecoin. This is because we have just seen some massive bullish indicators for Bitcoin. And as I have highlighted before, they are equally bullish for Doge thanks to its high correlation with Bitcoin. So the point is that things are now nicely shaping up for Doge.